Amen. Good luck.
10 seconds drivers.
We got a win tonight, but you're filming.
All right, here, Phil, if you need these. I'm not going to say a word about that. I got Jerry up the early lead. Jeff second, DJ third.
Currently, 1 minutes into this race with 3 minutes remaining, and the running order is 1, 3, 4.
Coming up on 2 and 2 is Mike, or Denny out there on the lead. Dennis second, DJ third.
Currently, 2 minutes into this race with 2 minutes remaining, and the running order is 1, 3, 4. Halfway into 1.
Dennis playing up the yellow, still Denny. Dennis, DJ. Big block modified, you are next. Big block modified.
Currently, 3 minutes into this race, 1 minute remaining, and the running order is 1, 3, 4. Finish your lap. 4, finish. 3, finish. Race over.
All right, Mike's going to take that, followed by Dennis and DJ.